store. The room looks like this. I can't open it all the way because my ring light is lighting everything up, but I'll just do a little scan and then I'll take you in depth into everything. And back up so you can see everything at one time. Okay, so first I have my ring light up here, just lighting everything up so you can see everything really well. And then I have this really awesome little shoe corner right here. It also has some designer boxes and bags just kind of throughout to take up space. But down here I have all my sneakers, and then I have all of my slippers and all of my Tory Burch Miller sandals. These are some little booties and a little pink champagne toast candle from Bath & Body. Right here I have some of my thicker wedge heels and then a Ted Baker makeup bag. Over here I have my black flats. I have my little Chanel ones and then my Tory Burch ones and then my first ever Chanel bag. This is the smaller Chanel. Right here I have a lot of my like really cute girly shoes. So I have these little lace up ones and then my pageant heels and then some little furry ones. And then up here I just have some really cute little designer boxes. So I have my Jo Malone candle and fragrance box, my Lauderay box from New York, and my Chanel box, and then a little Jo Malone candle. And then over here I have just some more heels. I have my Valentino bow heels, and then I have my Chanel jumbo flap, which I carry really regularly, a lot more than this one. This is more of like an evening bag. And then up here I have one of my pairs of Louboutins, and then I have just some little black like chunky heels, and then I have my other pair of Louboutins. These are just little booties. And then I also have a few little champagne cups, and then a Rolex box, my Burberry box, a Chanel box, my Louboutin box, and my Cartier bag. So that's what this little area looks like. Here I have my Louis Vuitton duffel. It's part of my luggage set, and it has my little like tag that has my initials. And then I have all of my dresses, and they go from like longest sleeve to like spaghetti strap basically, all just like hanging here. And then over here I have just my Tory Burch belt, and then a little glitter belt, and then a faux fur obviously, scarf. So that's that little section. And then we move over here just to kind of like my little desk-y slash vanity area, even though it's neither of those. But I have this really cool little mirror I got from, I think, Home Goods or Marshalls. I don't really remember which one it was. And then over here I just have a bunch of my perfumes. So I have a Cartier, and then a Victoria's Secret, an Ariana Grande Victoria's Secret. I don't know this. Oh, my Jo Malone, Chanel, and Vera Wang. And I have it on this really pretty little like rhinestone tray. And then I have my planner and my little cover for my passport, which my roommate got me. And then I have my computer with my case and a little bottle of champagne and just like a little necklace. So underneath here I just keep some of my dust bags for my nicer bags that like come in these. So I also have like a Burberry hanging bag, and then just some of my Tory Burch dust bags. And then on this side I have some more of my little designer bags. So pretty much all of these are Tory Burch from here to here. And then this one's Henry Bendel. This is obviously a Louis Vuitton. And then I have another little Louis Vuitton like bag right here. So that's all that's in there for now. I need more to put in there soon. And right here I have my little chair that I usually sit in when I'm filming. It's really cute. I got it for Christmas. And then I just have this pink furry little heart pillow. And then I have like these curtains and my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. This is like the really big size. And over here I have the other part of my Louis Vuitton luggage, just my suitcase. And then these are all of my sweaters and like shirts and just other clothing. So I have my Burberry jacket, and then I have some other like little Burberry stuff over here. I just kind of keep it in the same area. And then I have a Louis Vuitton scarf. And then just some little like, I have a Tory Burch leather jacket, and then some just like little random stuff in here. So these are just all of my kind of like nicer clothes that fit with like the aesthetic of this room. From the other side of the room, this is my lingerie closet. I have these like really pretty lace curtains up, and then I have some hearts up for Valentine's Day. And I also have this little Ted Baker bag hanging off of the like rod that I hang my curtains on. Moving into my lingerie closet, this is what it looks like the whole way through. I have this little pink carpet down here from Hobby Lobby, and then all of my Victoria's Secret robes, and then this one's not, and then a little Target one and a little bride one. And then I have just this little crown hanging up. I have some Tory Burch shoe boxes a cake stand, and then some other like little designer boxes up here, just kind of like creating some decor. And over here I just have some more little boxes, and then this was left over from Christmas, but it's a little like ornament and it's rose gold and it has soap in it, and then a little initial box and a perfume box. Going over to this side, I just have some of my Valentine's Day stuff, and then I have a picture of Travis and I from our Christmas card. And these are going to be little gifts for my Valentine's Day party that I'm having. And then some little sleep masks. This one's the silk slip one, and then this one just says Sleeping Beauty. And then down here, I have some more of these little like fluffy hangers that have the clips, and a little Valentine's Day throw blanket that I'm going to put out soon. Underneath that, I just have some champagne glasses, a little pink heart box. I don't actually know if there's anything in here. Oh yeah, some of my David Yurman bracelets, and then a Tory Burch wrap bracelet. And then I also have some Victoria's Secret lotion, and then a Victoria's Secret perfume set that I just like the box of. Then down here I have all of my other bras like sorted into these little like sliding things. Just kind of my everyday ones are down here, and then my nicer ones are up here that I don't have hanging up. I have some of my nicer lingerie like hanging right here, so I have some of my like prettier bras hanging on these little like hooked hangers. So these are just some of my prettier ones, and they're from strapless all the way to just like regular. And then I have some of my underwear just like hanging down here that match with the bras. Coming out of my lingerie closet and going over back towards the door, I have these little acrylic trays that Travis hung up, and I have all of my palettes on here. So just some of the ones that I have, and most of these I've gotten actually pretty recently, like for Christmas, so you guys saw those. So I just have all those right here. That's actually it. So I'm gonna do another pan around kind of so you guys can see everything again. I would turn it sideways so you could see more, but it's really annoying to have to look at it that way, but I might at the end just so you can see. And I don't have to keep like moving it up and down. This might be really annoying for some of you, but this way you can see it all in like one swoop, and I don't have to move it up and down. So that is it. That is the full tour of my beauty room. I really wasn't going to do like an intro or an extra because I just did the tour. I don't feel like I need to. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so glad you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you want me to go any more in depth in any of these areas, because it's really fun for me too. So I'm really glad you guys watched this. Have a great day, and please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you're not already.